So I have my newborn in front wrap cross carry. I'm just going to show you how I would loosen this if she wanted to nurse. She's asleep right now, so I don't think she'll want to, but this will give you the idea of what I'm going to do. I'm coming back to this first position with just the pouch covering her and my 2 straps, and all I need to do now is just loosen. I'm kind of shimmying and twisting my body, and ideally you'd be wearing an easy access, low cut nursing shirt or something with a V-neck that you could easily move your shirt out of the way. So I'm going to lower her so that basically her mouth is in position with my nipple. Sometimes it's easier to latch them on first. Sometimes it's easier to get them positioned and tighten. You'll find what works best for you. This takes some finesse. This takes some practice. I tell moms, don't try to do it all in the first day. Don't try to baby wear for the first time and nurse for the first time, all in the wrap, all together. It takes time and practice. Make sure your baby wearing relationship is going well. Make sure your nursing relationship is going well. And then bring the 2 together, and it can be really amazing, really helpful for things like reflux. We're dealing with some spitting up and gas right now, so we are spending a lot of time upright and tummy to tummy, which helps with all of those things. So once baby was latched, if I had gotten her latched, which again, she's deep asleep, so she doesn't want to right now, I'm just going to go back to right where I was, crisscrossing over and under, retying. And then the nice thing about this is I have these shoulder passes to help finesse where I need to give her more support. So imagine she's latched. Well, now I can support her head more here if I need to without bringing her too close or too far away from the nipple. And for an easy out, so one other thing I wanted to mention, once you're done nursing baby, we always want to bring them back up to a high kissable position. This is not great for their airway because we can't really monitor it and see it, and it's also not great for our back. You're going to feel this weight on your back when they're low like this after a significant period of time. So once they're done nursing, we want to unlatch and bring them back up to a high kissable position. But if you were getting baby out after you were done nursing, maybe putting them into the car seat to go somewhere, I want to just share with you an easy out. Instead of getting untied and untangled, we can just slip our arm through here, peel down baby's back, and now we can hopefully get them out without waking them too much, and transfer baby. Thank you.